Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Calendar links for LinkedIn networking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Once on your profile, look for the Add Profile section button. Click on that button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the Add Featured option. In the Featured section, click the plus icon to add new content. Choose the Links option from the available choices. Now, open a new tab and go to your Google Calendar. In Google Calendar, create an event that you want to share. Fill in the event details such as title, date, and time. After entering the event information, click on Add Guests if needed. Next, find and click on the More Options link. Once the full event details are open, locate the event link. Copy the link from the browser's address bar. Return to your LinkedIn profile editing page. Paste the Google Calendar link into the link section. Add a descriptive title to let your connections know what the event is about. To make it more engaging, write a brief description of the event. After filling in all details, click Save to add the link to your profile. Review your profile to ensure the Google Calendar link appears correctly. Now, your LinkedIn connections can easily access your Google Calendar event. This will help facilitate networking and enhance your professional interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.